here with Empire Roofing Contractors here. One of the leaders in the Choice Roof Contractor Group. And today we're on actually it's a small project. This is a gas station. Originally this was two mobile trailers that were sandwiched together, and then they put a roof over top of it. It's not a really conventional roof, but it does have a nice standing seam roof over top of it. It looks flat, but it actually has just a little bit of a pitch to it. So there's really only one ponding area, which is down there. But great candidate for coating, and let me tell you why. You can't really do a metal replacement on this because it would cost so much money to take all of this outside edge off, all these brackets that are on here, and these units, and it would just be too costly. And same thing with a single-ply TPO or PVC. Aside the fact that it's hard to get the ISO board and some other the underlayments and screws right now, but it would cost too much to take all these brackets off, this outside skirting, and so coating wins the day on this one. Coating would those other two systems, metal replacement or a membrane installation, would probably cost anywhere from 6 to 10 times more money than doing a coating restoration. And so we come in here, we do coating, we power wash it, we put the primer down. As you can see, we put quick caulk over every screw, and then we put quick caulk over top of all of the seams on the metal and around the penetrations. And then today we're back to put a full top coat on everything. And all in all, we'll have about, I don't know, 3 guys, 2.5 days into this job. And so pretty quick, easy in out. And a couple of the guys that I have here, they don't really have a lot of experience, so it's really easy to do these kind of jobs if you have 1 or 2 guys that are experienced and a couple of guys that aren't. If you're interested in trying to break into commercial, the Choice Roof Contractor Group is a great network to do it. There's 120, 130 contractors that are in it, and that's really what helped me break in and learn how to bid these projects, install this project, how to do my warranties and service agreements and stuff like that. And so if you're interested in breaking in the commercial market, I'd be more than happy to show you how. Message me, DM me, you can call me, 231-578-4760, text me. I'm on multiple platforms, so connect with me one way or another, I'll get you started.